Welcome back. Two persons who were arrested by anti-narcotics cell on Saturday at Anjuna have been remanded to 5 days police custody. They were caught with possession of charas worth rupees 3,78,000. Sunny Narvekar brings it for you.
Two persons named Buddharam Sonamjit Rajput from Kullu Manali and Bhim Bal Bahadur Lama from Nepal were arrested with possession of rupees 3,78,000 charas. They were produced before the JMFC MAPSA on Sunday, who sent them to police custody for 5 days.
The first raid was conducted near Rastroli Temple, Dimelawadu, Anjuna, and the second raid was conducted near Cafe Luda, near Flea Market. We have arrested both the persons and we have taken 5 days remand.
In recent time, this is the biggest seize of charas by anti-narcotic cell. Police are more investigating into this case. In Panjim, this is Sunny Narvekar for Prudent Media.
Goa Government Employees Association has demanded implementation of Part B scale of 6th pay commission for certain categories of government employees. The association would also be meeting Chief Minister Digambar Kamath on Monday to discuss the matter of payment of arrears to them by the state government.
The Goa Government Employees Association on Saturday met to discuss various matters pertaining to pay scales and other issues.
That certain categories of the employees coming under Part B have not been given their due respite, because there are lot many employees drawing the scale of 4,500 to 7,000, ranging from right from LDCs to superintendents. Holding this scale, they should be included in the Part B as per the recommendations of the 6th Pay Commission. However, they have been categorized as general categories. In that, nurses and teachers are also included. Government have only given the Part B scales to teachers and left out all other categories.
However, other issues pertaining to non-payment of arrears by government were also discussed. They would be taking up the issue of non-payment of arrears with Chief Minister Digambar Kamath.
की सरकारान आजपर्यंत जी 40% आमकां जी एरियस दिवपाक जाय आसलेली 2001-6 ते 2008 पर्यंत सेंटर नोटिफिकेशन प्रमाण आमकां 40% ह्या वर्साक दिवपाचें आसा आनी ते ह्या वर्साचे बाय फेब्रुवारी गव्हर्मेंटान दिवपाक जाय आसलेले. गव्हर्मेंट हॅज एश्युअर्ड अस दिता म्हणून हें केलें गव्हर्मेंटान, पण अजुनूय तेजेर गव्हर्मेंटान स्पेल्ट आउट करूंक ना आनी हाजे खातीर आमकां हांगा डिस्कशन जालें आनी हाजेर आमचे फाल्यां सीएमा कडेन मिटींग आसतली. आमचे डेलिगेशन मेळटलें आनी आमचे जे कितें एरिया आसा ते मागपाचो प्रयत्न करतले.
A reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar.
Tobacco and National Economy Program was held at Marga Police Station on Saturday. Dr. Shekhar Sarkar explained the ill effects of excessive smoking.
Dr. Shekhar Sarkar, through audiovisual presentation, explained the ill effect of passive smoking.
Then you can get a cancer of this area. So very pathetic cancer. So operation करपाक मातशें त्रास. And this is the earliest sign of cigarette smoking. केलें की हांगा एक धवो पॅच आसतलो. चडशे सिगरेट ओडपी सगळे फ्रॉम अशे सायडीक ओडटात. सेंटराक सामकें कमी ओडटात, चडशे सायडीक ओडटात. सो फर्स्ट हीट इज ऑन द यो वयलो लिप, सकयलो लिप तोंड उगडें केला, सायडीक असो एक वायट आनी तांबडोसो पॅच. दिस इज नॉट अ कॅन्सर. सारको तो पॅच बरो बरो व्हडलो आसा. स्टील इट इज नॉट कॅन्सर. स्टील इट कम्स लायक अ ओल्ड पेंट कसो आसता, पेंट असो स्केलिंग जावन भायर येता तसो. म्हणजे 3 डायमेन्शनल पिक्चराक इट कम्स आउट. This is the most dangerous.
Dr. Sarkar further gave details of income involved in enjoying smoking and then to cure the diseases which the smokers get after excessive smoking.
इतके गेले की मागीर तू खावप ते मागीर तुका दुयेंसां जावप. ते दुयेंसाचे दोतोराचेर आनी फार्मासीचेर खर्च अराउंड 27,000 crores. म्हणजे कितें तुवें आतां 15,000 कोटीची खावप तंबाखू, 27,000 कोटी ते दुयेंसाचेर खर्च करप. कॅन्सर, हार्ट अटॅक, कोल्ड कितलेशेच आहा फुडें सांगलो तुमकां. सो टोटल लॉस इज अराउंड 45,000 crores. आनी इनकम इतको गव्हर्मेंटाक 7,000 कोटी. सो इन नो इकॉनॉमिक सेन्स ऑल्सो हाचो कितें फायदो आसा. एंड दॅट्स वाय गव्हर्मेंट ओवर अ पिरियड ऑफ टायम हे जेन्ना फिगर रिलीज जाली 1999 तेन्ना पासून गव्हर्मेंट फील्स दॅट येस दॅट शूड बी, म्हणून ते हळू हळू सगळे लॉज बीज येवंक लागले. पयली गव्हर्नमेंटान दिसता की ते फायदेशीर आहा म्हणटा.
DYSP of Margao Umesh Gaukar said that this program will help police officials to educate the general public.
जे तरेन ताणें एक्सप्लेन केला म्हाका दिसता आमचे जे पुलीस ऑफिसर आनी बाकीचे हेर वांगडी आसा ते आपल्या घरांनी किंवा आपले रिलेटिव्ह जे आसा तांकां खरेंच हाचे बद्दल सांगतले की हाचो इल इफेक्ट कितें आसा आनी कश्यो फॅमिली भितर आपले मनीस कशे तरेन हे तरेच्या दुयेंसाक बळी पडटात हे सगळे ते आपापल्या फॅमिलीक सांगतले, अवेरनेस करतले, तशेंच जे कायदे आसा तांचे इम्प्लिमेंटेशन करतले आनी एकंदरीत ह्या टॉकाचो अशे दृश्टीन आमकां फायदो जातलो, समाजाकूय जातलो, लोकांकूय जातलो अशें दिसता.
Our reporter from Margao, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Good news for the Kunkolkas. Now their water problem will be solved. The foundation stone had been laid down for Bandara at Naingilo on Saturday.
The stone was laid down by Urban Development Minister Joki Alamau. RB Gata, Sandesh Tari, Frenzy Kutianas, RK Naik, WRD Assistant Engineer L. Mascarenas, Kunkoli Municipal Vice Chairperson and Councillor Rajan Naik were also present at the inaugural function. Joki Alamau has assured that Bandara will be ready by first week of May.
But first week of May he'll hand over to Bandara. And I'm sure जे बांदारा जालमुट्रीच म्हाका दिसता कुंकळे आमकां उदकाचे प्रश्न आमचे सगळें सॉर्ट आवट जातले आनीक जे चारय बांदारा जे कॉस्ट हेजे एक बांदाराचो नियरली अबाउट 50 lakhs वन बांदारा or 4 bandara it cost about 2 crore of rupees, nearly 2 crores of rupees, and we had very problem for Kunkolkar for udka problem jata amka ani ye bandara zalmutrik magdisna udka ani problem amna Kunkole je hoto.
Councillor Rajan Naik thanked Joki Alamau for fulfilling their long pending demands.
उदक बांदरा उदक सुकता सराउंडिंग एरिया सगळे बांय सुकतात पूण हालीं आमी सद्या टेम्पररी बांदताले ताजेर मातशें हें जातालें मिनिस्टरा मरे आमी गेले तेन्ना मिनिस्टरान सगळे 12 बांदपाचें हें दिलें आमकां आनी ताणें आपल्यालें हें फुलफील केलें आनी ताजे खातीर हांव मुगेल्या वाड्या वतीन हांव मिनिस्टराले खूब आभार मानतां.
Our reporter from Kunkoli, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.